Auzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Uh, Thank you to the room MC for letting me to present my topic. So, my name is Rafiqin Irfan bin Rasiman, and I'm under the supervision of Associate Dr. Professor LAR Muhammad Ramzi bin Muhammad Hussain. My research is the importance of trees as an indicator for urban climate change. And then the research basically will present about the importance of urban trees as an indicator for urban climate change, which aim to explore the characteristic of trees that suitable for urban landscape. Climate plays an important role in people's life, and the climate is the basis in all planning and design. Before that, I would like to quote from Sabrina and Nick Hanita from their paper, The Role of Ornamental Vegetation for Birds Habitat in Urban Parks. They said that vegetation is a natural protection for environment, including human, from extreme microclimate, pollutions, and erosions. It also helps to enhance and maintain the ecology for better living quality. Then we move to the global issue where the global climate change impact to us. Generally, global climate change is an issue that has been discussed in the global level, where they give a negative impact to us as a human being. Uh, they they give impacts in terms of rising the sea level, and then changing weather patterns and extreme weather, pressure on water and food, then impact on wildlife and ecosystem, and also risk the human health. The problem statement, basically the major problem that occurred at the site or at the urban area. For the problem statement one, I wanted to highlight about the urban trees itself, where they need careful selection, planting, and establishment, where they can create a healthy and vibrant urban forest. And then move to the problem statement two. The problem is about the existing tree species, where some of the area in urban use introduced species, where generally non introduced species basically can present a threat to local landscape ecosystem. And then move to the problem statement three. The research has been debate among themselves because of using either using the introduced species or native species, because they debate which one of these species have the stronger the resilience characteristics to the urban climate change. After that, we move to the literature review section. So for the research literature review study, uh, focusing on the related terms and information to give a better understanding on this research and point out the physical characteristic of trees in the urban area. So basically, this literature review will consist of the related terminologies about urban trees, and then to the greenery concept, the low carbon cities framework, and then the characteristic of urban trees, factors that affect the carbon in urban area, as well as the comparison native and introduced species. Next, I would like to highlight about the research aim and objective. The research aim basically to explore the characteristics of trees that suitable for urban landscape in order to confront the urban climate change. The objective one will highlight to the importance of trees in planning, designing, and implementing of suitable species for urban landscape. And then to identify the physical characteristic of trees in the urban areas for urban climate change. And the last objective, which is objective number three, to demonstrate the accurate settings and maximize the potential of plant species in the urban landscape. All right. We move to the methodology of the research. So the site is choose at Jalan Tuanku Abdul Rahman, which located at the center of Kuala Lumpur City. The research employed mixed method, which are qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative will be divided into two subjects, which are semi-structured interview and observation. Semi-structured interview will achieve the research objective number one, and observation will achieve the research objective number two. So, semi-structured interview generally asking about their opinion on how the urban trees can become the indicator for urban climate change. And the observation basically is listing the inventory of urban trees, focusing on its physical characteristics. After that, quantitative method, which is survey questionnaire, also used in this research. Survey questionnaire basically targeting 40 valid and usable respondent that used for this research. We move to the finding and results. For the interview, there are total five publics that have been chosen as the respondents. The question that asked to them, the first one, what do you understand about urban trees? The second one, what is the functions of urban trees? And the third one, opinion or hope for urban trees for become indicator for urban climate change. As a result, all of the respondents agree that the urban trees need a good care from both the government and public to help functioning to serve the public and the environment. Finding number two, which is the method of observation. The observation, yes, the observation will focusing on the physical characteristic, the type of species, and the settings of the urban tree itself. So during the observation, the Ficus benjamina, Samania saman, and Bucida variegated can be seen at, along Jalan Tuanku Abdul Rahman. All of them function as street planting for urban landscape at the site. And then we move to the finding number three, which is the survey questionnaire. So basically, the survey questionnaire will divide into four main sections, which are section A, talking about the demographic data. Section B, asking about their understanding on the urban trees. Section C, uh, asking about their experience with urban trees. And the last section, section D, will asking about their recommendation on urban trees. So, as a result, the respondents are well aware that the trees functions on reducing surrounding temperature, give protection, and also give shade to the public. For the recommendation and conclusion, a larger diversity of trees makes the whole urban trees more resistant to climate change. Then, tree species also need careful selection for the local climate. Also, planting native species help in enhancing the functions of urban trees for climate change. For conclusion, the good awareness about the importance of trees for urban climate change give can give big impact to the plan where the public and and government and also other responsible parties are willing to spend more and give more focus on the urban trees to help in confronting the urban climate change. That's all for me. Thank you.